Hi, welcome to macOS Genius on the YouTube channel. There's also various ways that you can also reach us in regards of getting support by visiting through Google. Just look up iOS Genius. It will pull us up in the first page. You can also do it through Yelp, Twitter, LinkedIn, and we also have a Facebook page too. You can also go to our main website, which is smtsv.com, which is our umbrella company of Sifu Technology Services. You can also try to find us under macosgenius.com. You can also look up under winostechs.com because we also do support Windows computers and Mac computers, as well as mobile devices. So if you wanted to do iOS Genius, you can definitely reach us. Now on our website has the important information that you can go ahead and click on this link here where it says book now. It would actually send us a message, comprehensive overview of what might need to be done with your computer or device. Here's also our YouTube channel, so you can go ahead and click on this, and this will take you to our YouTube page. And then from here, you can also go through any additional videos of how-to tutorials or so forth. If you also require remote support, we do provide free remote support to your computer to do the comprehensive overview of what is wrong with your computer or iOS device or Android device. As you can see, we do support mobile devices. And there's a video tutorial on how to get that started on your end. It just takes a good minute. If there are any changes or modifications that are required, then there are additional fees to that. Well, thanks for visiting macOS Genius on the YouTube channel and our social media events. So today we're just going to go ahead and do a change of icon. Very simple. You can do this with Macs that are all the way back to Leopard or Snow Leopard 10.6. Basically, you see these icons here on my left, on my right, my apologies. You see these icons here on my right, and the reason how I got them in there and so forth. We're just going to go ahead and open a browser. So we're into a Stan Lee here. So let's see which Stan Lee here. This is El Capitan. I don't know. Probably if you wanted to get something like this. So let's do this one. This one here with the little white dots and so forth. It's already transparency one, so it actually will fit for you automatically. If you wanted one that had an image, say, would you say this one here? Okay, no, here, let's do this one. This will probably be a little bit too much here, but we're just going to go ahead and show for an example. So let's go ahead and save this image down. Here's another. And basically, you can use this whole image if you want with the spider links and so forth, but you just got to imagine it's going to be this tiny. And then this one. So for an example, you'll just go ahead and Command A or Windows key A and Windows key C to copy it. Find the driver icon you want to change. Do a right click, select Get Info, highlight the icon in that info, Command V or Windows key V, and then there it goes. Now you see it's blurry here, but you can see here it's a little bit better. So now if you wanted to get rid of that white background, spacebar to do a preview on a Windows or a Mac keyboard, you cannot make the changes. If you hit the little pencil here, you still cannot make the changes. It doesn't give you the change that you want to change and clear the background. So what you want to do is double left click. Now you can see it's an actual image that's open. You can see this one's too. So this is the preview, and then this is the actual opening file. So now if you hit this little pencil, so you see here you have 3, you have 6, you have 9, 10, you have 11 options. Here you have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, and you have 12 options. You can add more options if you just edit the toolbar, but what you want to do is this little magic wand here, the Instant Alpha. Select on that, and then select in the areas that you want to clear out. So it's the white, so there you go. It alpha that out. So now if I hit delete, now I just see his full head and so forth. So now let's just go ahead and rename this to something else. And there you go. So now if I copied it, now you see this icon is there, right? So let me use a whole different icon here and select Get Info, highlight the icon, paste. Now you see, now it's just his head. So now if you want to do the same like for here, because I opened it up, it's not in preview mode. Preview mode, it looks like this. So I go ahead and hit the pencil, hit the magic insta wall, half wall. Select the areas I want to get out. So I want to see, as you can see, you try to do it and it grabs his face. So it makes it harder because there is all these little spider web links in here. So if I start here, looks like I can do it in a sense of all this, but I'm still kind of stuck with. So convert the file. So see, so you can do it. You just have to play with it. So see, now you're stuck with little bits everywhere. So if you try to look for more of a solid picture, so let's get rid of that. Let's try this one here, Insta Alpha, and then as you can see, this goes around, but now it starts going to his hair. So yeah, so you're gonna have problems here too. So if you delete, it'll convert the file, and then you gotta have to keep doing it. Now, of course, you can do this in Photoshop, but that's really up to you if you want to really do this in Photoshop and so forth. And as you can see, I can get quite a bit. Now I would have to kind of zoom and get all this little stuff up. So if you can do pictures that are just by itself, or with a white background, or ones that have the little bunch of dots in the background, which are transparency already, it would work with no problem. All right, well, thanks for visiting macOS Genius on the YouTube channel and how to change your icons. Feel free to subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. And have a great day.